Hey there, welcome to my channel, where we bring you ways to generate passive income and ultimately achieve financial success. Before starting, drop a like to the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and push the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 strategies that you can apply that'll generate you more conversions by using Fiverr affiliate program. So, if you're not familiar with Fiverr, it's a platform that connects freelancers with businesses and individuals who need their services. Fiverr offers a wide range of services, including graphic design, writing, marketing, and much more. And as an affiliate, you can earn money by promoting Fiverr services to others. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first strategy is to do social media marketing. Social media marketing is a powerful tool that can help you reach a massive audience and promote the Fiverr affiliate program. In this section, we'll be discussing how to effectively use social media to drive traffic to Fiverr and increase your earnings through the affiliate program. Number 1 is to choose the right social media platforms. The first step in social media marketing is to choose the right social media platforms to focus on. Not all social media platforms are created equal, and each one has its own strengths and weaknesses. For example, Facebook is great for reaching a wide audience, while Instagram is better for visual content. Choose the platforms that are most relevant to your audience and the services you're promoting on Fiverr. Number 2 is to create engaging posts. Once you've chosen the right social media platforms, it's time to start creating engaging posts that will grab your audience's attention. Use high-quality visuals and compelling captions that highlight the benefits of Fiverr's services. Don't be afraid to get creative with your posts and experiment with different formats such as images, videos, and stories. Number 3 is to engage with your audience. Social media is all about building relationships with your audience. Take the time to engage with your followers, respond to their comments, and answer their questions. This will help build trust and establish you as an authority in your niche. You can also use social media to gather feedback and insights from your audience, which can be valuable for improving your marketing strategy. The second strategy is to do blogging. Blogging is a powerful tool that can help you reach a targeted audience and promote the Fiverr affiliate program. In this section, we'll be discussing how to effectively use blogging to drive traffic to Fiverr and increase your earnings through the affiliate program. Number 1 is to choose your niche. The first step in blogging is to choose your niche. Focus on a specific topic or industry that you're knowledgeable about and that aligns with the Fiverr services you're promoting. This will help you attract a targeted audience that's interested in the services you're promoting on Fiverr. Number 2 is to create high-quality content. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to start creating high-quality content that will attract and engage your audience. Use a mix of blog posts, infographics, and videos to keep your content fresh and engaging. Write in a conversational tone and focus on providing value to your readers. Number 3 is to optimize your content for search engines. Search engine optimization is important for driving organic traffic to your blog. Use keyword research to identify the keywords and phrases that your audience is searching for and include them in your blog posts. Use header tags, meta descriptions, and alt tags to optimize your content for search engines. The third strategy is to do email marketing. Email marketing is another great way to promote Fiverr services and the affiliate program. If you have a mailing list, send out emails promoting Fiverr services and the affiliate program. Highlight the benefits of joining and encourage your subscribers to sign up using your unique referral link. You could send an email that says, "Get high-quality services for your business with Fiverr." And if you use my referral link, you'll get 20% off your first order. The fourth strategy is to do YouTube marketing. YouTube is one of the most popular platforms for video content, and it's a great way to promote Fiverr services in the affiliate program. You can create videos promoting Fiverr services and the affiliate program. Include your referral link in the video description, and encourage your viewers to sign up using your link. For example, you could create a video that says 5 reasons why Fiverr is the best place for freelancers, and include your referral link in the description. You can also include an affiliate banner or link in your video. In this section, we'll be discussing how to effectively use YouTube marketing to drive traffic to Fiverr and increase your earnings through the affiliate program. Number 1 is to create compelling content. The first step in YouTube marketing is to create compelling content that your audience will want to watch. Make sure your content is relevant to the Fiverr services you're promoting, and that it provides value to your viewers. Use high-quality visuals, clear audio, and engaging storytelling to keep your audience interested. Number 2 is to optimize your videos for search. Just like with blogging, search engine optimization is important for YouTube marketing. Use keyword research to identify the keywords and phrases that your audience is searching for, and include them in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos rank higher in YouTube search results. Number 3 is to collaborate with influencers. Collaborating with influencers is a great way to reach a wider audience and build credibility in your niche. Find influencers in your niche who have a similar audience to yours and reach out to them to collaborate on a video. This can help you reach a new audience and build relationships with other influencers. Number 4 is to promote your videos. Once you've created your YouTube content, it's important to promote it to reach a wider audience. Share your videos on social media, email newsletters, and other relevant platforms. Consider running YouTube ads to reach a targeted audience. Number 5 is to track your results. Finally, it's important to track your YouTube marketing efforts to see what's working and what's not. Use YouTube Analytics to track your views, engagement, and referral traffic to Fiverr. This will help you refine your strategy over time and optimize your efforts for maximum results. The 5th strategy is to do paid advertisement. Paid advertising methods such as Google Ads or Facebook ads can be effective in promoting Fiverr services and the affiliate program. Set up ads that target people who are likely to be interested in Fiverr's services and the affiliate program. For example, you could create an ad that says, "Get high-quality graphic design services from Fiverr." And if you use my referral link, you'll get 20% off your first order. Make sure to target the right audience and monitor your ad's performance to make any necessary changes. In this section, we'll be discussing how to effectively use paid advertising to promote Fiverr and increase your earnings as an affiliate. Number 1 is to choose your platform. The first step in paid advertising is to choose the platform that you want to advertise on. There are many different advertising platforms to choose from, including Google Ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, and more. Choose the platform that best matches your audience and advertising goals. Number 2 is to set your advertising goals. Before you start advertising, it's important to set your advertising goals. Are you looking to drive traffic to Fiverr, generate leads, or increase sales? Your advertising goals will help you choose the right targeting options, ad formats, and messaging for your ads. Number 3 is to choose your targeting options. Targeting is a key component of successful paid advertising. Choose targeting options that match your audience, such as age, location, interests, and behaviors. This will help you reach the right people with your ads and drive more clicks and conversions. Number 4 is to use ad formats that work. Different ad formats work better for different goals. For example, if you're looking to drive traffic to Fiverr, use search ads that show up when someone searches for a relevant keyword. If you're looking to increase brand awareness, use display ads that show up on websites and apps that your audience visits. Number 5 is to test and refine your ads. Once you've created your ads, it's important to test and refine them to get the best results. Try different ad formats, messaging, and call to actions to see what works best for your audience. Use alpha-beta testing to compare different ads and optimize your advertising efforts over time. So, there you have it, 5 effective marketing strategies to promote Fiverr services in the affiliate program. Whether you choose to use social media marketing, blogging, email marketing, YouTube, or paid advertising, there's no shortage of ways to reach your audience and earn money through the affiliate program. Remember to always include your unique referral link in your promotional materials and to stay consistent with your marketing efforts. With Fiverr's wide range of services and the potential to earn up to $150 per referral, there's no better time to start promoting the Fiverr affiliate program. Thank you for watching.